If you're tired of complicated cooking and just confused about what to eat, your challenge is over. This video offers a game-changing breakthrough as I share simple lessons for creating delicious anti-inflammatory, protein-packed, healthy one-pan meals. You'll easily make healthy comfort food right in the comfort of your home in no time. First, we're making a Mediterranean chicken skillet with sweet potato and zucchini. This recipe serves 4 at around 380 calories per serving depending on the portion sizes. Heart healthy and super satisfying without feeling heavy. You can also prepare this recipe on a sheet pan, the sheet pan version. Just toss everything with seasoning and olive oil in a bowl, mix and spread it out on a sheet pan and roast in the convection or a convectional oven until fully cooked. But honestly, I prefer the skillet method. Not only does it cook more evenly, I think the food also tastes better compared to a sheet pan, and cleanup is much easier. Okay, now for something just as flavorful and just as easy, a delightful ground beef and eggplant tomato skillet. But before starting, it is highly recommended to salt your eggplant slices before cooking. Just sprinkle it with some salt, let them sit for 15 minutes, then rinse and pat dry. This helps remove bitterness. A quick demo before preparing our dish. These two one-pan meals are designed with simplicity and nutrition in mind, ideal for anyone 65 and up who wants something tasty, light, and of course, easy on the stomach and ready in 30 minutes or less. If you enjoyed these recipes, please like, subscribe, and leave a comments below. I would also love to hear your feedbacks. You'll find the full recipe and ingredients in the description below, along with links to some of my favorite culinary goods that I use. And if you're hungry for more, feel free to check out my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Let's meet back here for some great Mediterranean cod dishes next time. I look forward to see you then. Stay healthy and take care.